to the cutting board. Thank you. Some chips for my salad. She did say wash your stuff. Oh, I can just get cheese sticks here. Oh, they're beer battered though. I'll be drunk.
Really, they ain't that much beer.
Beer is a very alcoholic thing. You could only eat once as you're driving. Well, I don't know. You might have been an excellent drunk driver in your past.
That's one thing I didn't never do.
Oh, you didn't drunk drive?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I definitely did. You know, they just outlawed it in like 1979, I think. What am I gonna get? Oh, that's exactly what I want. Simple, easy, beautiful. Bam. Chicken tenders as an appetizer. Yeah, we can get that and some steakhouse wings.
I think I'm gonna get the salmon.
Are you sure? Because he about to be back.
What kind of wings you get if you sauce? You can get the teriyaki or barbecue.
Whichever one you want.
It don't matter. Either one of them. You can get them.
Nice. Thank you, Ma.
Do you want a steak or the salmon?
I'm definitely going to get the teriyaki
You
wings.
get the salmon. You get the salmon with the... What kind of rice they got?
Oh, nice. Thank you.
You have it. You alright? 10 ounce ribeye, medium.
We sat down before them.
Hot and sour cream.
I'm ready to eat. I guess that gives Mom some time to decide which one she wants.
I know what I
All the
want.
toppings.
You know what you want now? What you want?
Well, I'm gonna get the grilled salmon. Depends on what kind of rice that is.
So it already
I don't
comes
want the
with
white
it.
rice.
Already comes all the toppings out.
Excuse me.
Or you can get plain.
Sprite. Tastes like Sierra.
You want plain? Just a hamburger patty?
Cooking temps.
Oh, I'm gonna get the what's called where anyway. Cracked where.
Yeah, me too. Some of that. Because it's not like I have a burger or anything to cut.
Okay, how they cook the Chinese stuff? Done?
He said, done. I want it cooked. Done.
Well, it's $2.99. If you don't want anything, get another size.
We're the whole, I remember we're like 5 cities away from our house to get food. That's how it be when you travel to eat. Travel to eat, travel to shop. I mean, you gotta go to other places to get the deals. Y'all know. Y'all know when you try to get a deal, you gotta
He
travel.
said, I know, honey, I ain't got no teeth. He's not.
I'll make you some food.
Had all my bottle paint, I can't eat.
Of course, but I'll make you some food
I
so that
looked
way
at
you
it
can.
today, but I did.
Gotcha.
Regular stuff.
But I'll make you some food so that way you can enjoy it. Alright?
It's our turn.
Y'all ready?
Yes.
What can I get for y'all today?
Kid, what kind of rice is that?
White rice.
Ugh.
She doesn't want that. She would like the salmon.
No.
No.
I don't want the salmon because it's white rice. Y'all don't have any other type of rice?
Not just white rice.
Go ahead and order, Shana.
I would like your sampler platter.
Okay.
Have some ranch with that.
Okay.
And I would also like an order of your steakhouse wings, teriyaki, please.
Okay.
You want that celery?
No.
I want ranch and no celery.
I guess give me the, let me have a ribeye steak.
10 ounce ribeye. How would you like it? And include 2 sides.
Well done.
Okay.
I want to substitute one side for the salad drip.
It's $2.99 extra. Is that alright?
What's your seasonal vegetables?
Broccoli casserole.
Ooh.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm
Well,
gonna try that.
no, because last time it wasn't nothing but just cheese on it. It wasn't.
Oh, I don't like broccoli and cheese.
What's steam?
Steamed vegetables.
It's broccoli and carrots. Is that alright?
Yes.
Okay. I'll be about you salad plate. Take those menus.
Thank you so much.
Go wash my hands.
That was perfect timing.
A1?
Anyone? Okay. Available?
That was delicious. Wow.
Okay.
Can I have some ketchup, please?
Yes.
Thank you. I didn't know it came with bacon on it. I don't like. I like bacon, but I like the bacon cooked. Thank you. Time to get messy. It tastes like Chinese food.
What? This steak is good.
That's great. Thank you.
Far behind us. They back there eating it. Look at that. It's just
Tender.
I think this is the best steak I ever had eating out.
Tender. The fries taste like a baked potato from Wendy's. Oh no. See how this ranch tastes. Brown food, yum. Ranch. Tastes like Harbor Inn cheese sticks. How your broccoli?
I don't know.
Looks like I've been focusing on the steak.
Steak is so delicious. I'm glad they brought me some more napkin because you showed up with your chicken bone on that.
I did it afterwards though. I did it afterwards though. I don't need no napkins.
I do. I know what I eat next time.
Ooh, a steak.
Mm-hmm.
Get you a to-go steak.
No, if I did warm it up, it would mess it up.
How you like the wing?
It's alright.
I just like Chinese.
It's gonna cook a little hard.
Yeah, I would say it is cooked a little hard. But the teriyaki sauce is good. Are you happy with your life decisions?
Mm-hmm. I would have got that salmon, but I want the white rice.
Happy food decisions.
You want some broccoli? You can have some broccoli.
I want you to try it first. Tell me if it's good.
Tell about broccoli. I had it before. You got on that fork.
Let me borrow your fork real quick.
No, you got fork. How crazy is that? There I go.
Your fork is right there.
I'm using my fork. You're sharing the fork when you got one. That sounds crazy.
Oh yeah, it smells like broccoli.
I gonna eat my bread, but the steak was so good.
You eat your bread with your steak.
Last time I got pork chop, and I let Cynthia eat my bread. That was a big ribeye. I was gonna take half with me.
It was so good.
Mm-hmm. I can't remember which one I didn't like.
Oh, the tuna. I know you like the chicken salad because you was talking about it.
Me and my quarter. Pasta salad or the tuna. I couldn't remember which one I didn't like.
Hot ranch. I'm a fan.
Who said on the chicken? Oh, you done broke it off. Oh, okay.
That's the fibers. Like fibrous chicken. Chicken still hot. Rice pretty good. I'm gonna use some more Sprite. What you wooing about?
You didn't see me drop it?
Oh, I didn't. That was hot. I was like, what? So that was pretty good. You satisfied, Mom?
Yeah, my $25 steak was delicious. They ain't had no prices on it. That's what it was.
Oh, that's how they get you.
Yeah, but it said the market price, whatever the market price is.
Ain't no market. Steak for $25. You buy a cow for that much. Oh, let's buy a cow.
Only if you take care of it.
I would.
Clean up the manure.
I would let it. Ooh, that part, those cow pies. I don't know about that. It was good. I guess I would go back. Mom definitely would because it's her second time going there. So yeah, it was good. Food was good. Cheese sticks. That's what I really wanted. That was good.
Did you try the cheese sticks?
Yeah, the cheese sticks. They didn't taste like beer. Thank goodness. I could be buzzed. I could be buzzed right now. I don't know. It was really good. I liked it. I enjoyed myself. I would probably go back. I would recommend it, but not the wings though. They were a little cooked too hard. But they wasn't cooked too hard. They would be okay.